Hello everyone. Today we will learn the basics of sketching together. Sketching is the foundation of drawing. It is a compulsory course for professional painting. It is also the gateway to art universities. It expresses the form, space, and light shading changes of objects through lines and shadows. First, the tools for sketching are very simple. You only need a pencil, an eraser, and paper. Pencils come in different hardness levels. Usually, we use 2B, 4B, or 6B pencils for sketching. These pencils are suitable for showing different light and dark variations. Next, we need to learn how to control the way we hold the pencil. The way you hold the pencil will affect the thickness, smoothness, and pressure of the lines you draw. Generally, we use the tripod grip, which allows for more flexible control of the pencil. In the sketching process, we usually start by drawing the outline. We begin with simple shapes, such as circles, squares, and triangles. These basic shapes help build the fundamental outline of the object. Next, we need to add shadows. Shadows help us express the three-dimensionality and lighting effects of the object. Use different pencil hardness to represent various light and dark levels, and pay attention to the direction of the light source. Shadows should appear on the opposite side of the light. Lastly, sketching requires patience and attention to detail. Through continuous practice, remember, we can improve our observation skills and drawing techniques. Sketching is not just about copying an object. It's about understanding its form and structure and presenting these elements through lines and shadows. I hope everyone can master some basic sketching techniques through this class and gradually improve their drawing skills.